Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a special battle, a New Jersey battle with Nightingale Scratcher. And we do have $50 worth of New Jersey tickets, and we both agreed to battle on this X Money series, so that's what we're doing today, and hopefully we can keep this going. And maybe the next one will be the hit. All the hit games, and then the next one might be the other one. Well, we'll figure it out. Anyway, so we have $50 worth, like I said, and I have 5 of the $2 tickets, all from different books. 2 of the 5s, all from different books here, and 1 of each of the 50X and the 100X. So hopefully we can get some wins. This is just a fun battle. Nothing to win. So we have 10X, which is a $2 ticket. It's a matching number game where you can find multipliers, and then up top we have a bonus section here. And like I said, I have 5 different books. We have ticket 66, so good luck to you, Nightingale Scratcher. I don't know what you got, but hopefully, I think we'll be posting it at the same time, so I'll be uploading this shortly after I record. So can't wait to see your result. All right, ticket 66. Winning numbers are 1 and 26, and we have Chasing Claimers going to help me win. Some out-of-state love. Out-of-state assistance. 1 and 26. 11. Nope. Oh, and the bonus. I forgot. $20 purse. Kiwi. Okay, nothing on that one. This is ticket number 109 from a different book. Check the bonus. We've got a gold bar. Winning numbers are 11 and 29. 11 and 29, and we don't have any wins. But for 2, next we have ticket 28 from a different book. Check the bonus, and we got a gold coin. Winning numbers are 13 and 14. 0 for 3. Don't worry, we still got plenty more tickets to go. Ticket 114. Check the winning numbers, 4 and 13. Can we get a win? There's a win. We got a 4. And this is ticket 114. Wonder what it'll be. Just a free ticket. Yep, free ticket. No need to check the bonus. Last ticket 136. Got a dollar bill. Winning numbers are 27 and 26. Can we get another win? Ooh, 1 off. Nope. So we just have the 1 win on the 2s. Next we have the 5s. 20X bonus the money, and two from 2 different packs. So it's a matching number game or find the multipliers. Then we have bonuses as well. Ticket 7 from this book. Check the bonus first for 25. No. For 50. No. Winning numbers are 13, 3, 36, 29. 13, 3, 36, 29. This is ticket number 7. No winner. All right, ticket 21 from a different book. Check the bonus. We got banana and a hat. Need 34, 24, 6, 31. 18, 23, 13, 21, 36, 11, 37, 39, 28, a 9, 19, G22's number, 16, 26, 1, and a 4. So we did not win on any of the 5s. Now let's go to the $10 ticket with the X the money. Check the bonus for 100 or 200. We got the money stack, which is not a win. And for 200, we got a wallet. It's not a win. Again, looking for matching numbers or multiplier symbols. And this is ticket number 7 for this pack. Look for 19, 21, 38, 48, 47, 27. 41, 33, 1, 42, 9, 34, 26, which is a 1-off, 31, 22, a 2, nothing yet, 49, it's a 1-off, 18, another 1-off, 3, 44, 52, last row, 24, 23, 53, 2 more spots, can we get a win, 54, and the last spot is a 6. Okay, well, not a winner, so it's all up to the big boy. All I have is a free ticket, and I'm sure Nightingale is kicking my butt right now, but we'll see. Let's check the bonus tab up top. Looking for the burst symbols. Money. Roll in a compass. So no wins. Alright. Again, same concept. Matching numbers and multiplier symbols. This is ticket number 8. Ticket number 8. Need a 46, 24, 33, 31, 48, 38. We got a 56, 37, 9, 48, 22, 2, 39, 42, 52, 7, 34, 14, 16, 27, 21, 18, 36, 58, 41, 12, last row, 6, 32, it's a sandwich, 26, 13, and all up to this corner here, 4. So no, we did not win on the bigger tickets, but it was a tough session for me, a rough session for me. So all I got was a free ticket at a $50 spent. So hopefully, I don't know, we'll see what Nightingale gets, but it was kind of rough for me. So hopefully she gets something good, and we'll keep trying to do a battle. Thank you guys for watching, and if you'd like to join in on the battle, you can. New Jersey Scratchers. So yeah, please go check out Nightingale's results, and have a great day.